My name is Amit Sangwan and my YouTube channel name is Master Mariner Amit Sangwan. I've made this YouTube channel basically to help people with Merchant Navy documentation and information on Merchant Navy, basically for youngsters. Okay, so in this video we will see how to apply for the CDC renewal, replacement or duplicate. So if you want to renew your CDC or if you want to replace your CDC because the old CDC is torn or damaged, or if you want a duplicate COC, then this video will be helpful to you. So the next step is the documentation required. The documents required are a scanned copy of online application. This online application will be generated after you apply. So an application will be generated, so you take out a printout of that application, then a self-attested copy of the CDC, your old CDC, the first and the last pages, scanned copy of photograph, passport size photograph as per DG guidelines, passport, and a scanned signature as per DG guidelines, and a fees of ₹700. So first of all, you open this site www.dgshipping.gov.in. Once you open this site, you go to e-governance, and when you go to e-governance, you will get your Seafarers registration. So you click on Seafarers registration. When you click on Seafarers registration, this page will open. So you put your user ID, which is your endorse number, and your password which you made. So normally the user ID is the endorse number and the password is endorse number followed by 1, but if you have changed the password, then put your new password. So once you have filled in these details, you press login. When you press login, this page will open. Here you click here CDC management and COC as cook, but we are not interested in COC as of cook now. As of now, we're interested in CDC management, so you click here on CDC management. When you click on CDC management, this page will open. Once this page opens, you click on submit application. When you click on submit application, you will get the options for renewal of CDC, duplicate COC, or renewal of CDC. So once you click here, if you want to do renewal, click on the renewal. If you want duplicate, click on duplicate. So in this video we will take the example of renewal of CDC. So once you click on submit application, I clicked on renewal CDC. When you click renewal CDC, this page opens. The first page will show you the personal details. So here you put all your personal details. These are normally copied from your endorse. You don't have to put them, they will be filled. You have to just check them that they are all correct. Second is you have to select the office. This office is the MMD where you are applying to, with Bombay MMD, Chennai MMD, Kolkata MMD, or Delhi MMD, wherever you are applying. Just select that office and then check these personal details. Similarly, these personal details: sex, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, endorse number, endorse issue date, height, color of eyes, color of hair, identification mark. This will already be filled in the endorse. If there are any changes, you please update your profile. Then these are your CDC details which you have filled. You have to fill it up, the old CDC details. These are your passport details. Once you fill all these things, you press continue. When you press continue, come on the next page, which is the address. So you fill all your details here: house number, street, village, post office, district, state, pin code, phone, nearest police station, email, mobile number. Once you fill up all these details, press continue. You will come on this page. This shows the fee details. The fee details is that the fees will be ₹700. Please read this note. Online payment is to be made after application number generated. Fees once paid will not be refunded. So this application will be generated at a later stage, so you just press continue. When you press continue, this shows the documents to be attached. So you will be needing a scanned copy of signed online application, which you will get after you generate this. Then your passport size photographs as per DG guidelines, and a self-attested scanned copy of CDC, first and last pages, and a self-attested scanned copy of proof of Indian citizenship document, that is passport. So once you have filled up all the details and personal details, address, then here you click I agree. You click I agree. When you click I agree, then you click generate application number, then an application will be generated. You please take out a printout of this application, so you will be needing it later. Once you click the generate application number, your application number will be generated and the application will be generated. Then you come back here on the front page again and press on others. When you press on others, click on others. When you click on others, you will get this option: pay fees, upload documents, and view application status. So when you click here, this window will open. When this window is open, you will get here the option of paying the fees. Pay fees now. So you click on pay fees now and follow the procedure and follow the steps and pay 700 rupees. Once your fees is paid, you will get the option here to upload the documents. It will say upload documents. So you click upload, and from your computer you browse and select the documents to be uploaded and say upload. Once the documents uploaded, your application will be submitted. Here it will show application status as received. Then this application you have to sign, and your old CDC you have to take both of them, and then you have to post it to the shipping master's office. The shipping master's office is where you are applying for the renewal of the CDC. There you have to post it, and your old CDC will come back with a new CDC once it is approved. Now thank you for watching this video. This is a simple guidance on how to apply for the renewal of CDC. Similarly, in the same procedure you can apply for duplicate COC. And thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video and if you find it useful, then please subscribe and share my channel, Master Mariner Amit Sangwan. Thank you a lot.